What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And a while back when I had some more time on my hands before I started shooting photography and videography, I had accepted these cables to test by Magtame. I thought these magnetic cables would be really awesome to test, and I can say the flat USB-C cable, while affordable and capable of fast charging, it's definitely not capable of PD3 or really anything higher than 50 or 60 watts.
In other words, this Magtame cable is going to be perfect for most of you who aren't doing a lot of transfers over USB-C. You'll definitely find this more than capable if you're just trying to fast charge your cell phone.
I've tried using the smaller cable to connect to the computer for data, and it definitely doesn't reach the full capability that this big fat cable does. This big fat USB-C cable is my new favorite USB-C cable, just for the sheer girth of this thing is so thick and juicy. I wasn't kidding around. The sheer girth of this big cable is really thick. I didn't think I was gonna like it because of how heavy it is. This bigger Magtame cable is really fantastic. I've been using this for Thunderbolt purposes. Really the best data transfer cable. That is the neatest cable I've ever seen, and I probably will ever see, because I am the most messy, unorganized person you'll ever meet in your life. Don't worry guys, I'm in therapy. I'm trying to change that, so round of applause for me going to therapy. This big thick cable can actually magnetize to metal stuff. It magnetizes to itself. You can really use this to connect your high-speed devices, and then if you don't need the extra cable, wrap it up on itself like so. The magnetization is very strong on these. It's really only designed to hold the cable, although the flat one is really high quality, and I've been doing some bend tests right now using it for my Oculus Quest 3, and I mean a bend test because I have to stick it in the case and route it that way. The main problem with USB-C is the connector will wear out over time. That being said, the magnetic cable allows you to take some weight and some stress off whatever you're using, and you can kind of wrap it around and magnetize to anything metal. You're getting the fastest, the best USB Thunderbolt capable cable you can get. Not only that, but it is really high quality, and it seems like this thing is going to last forever. That being said, I have not even checked the price of these, so I cannot tell you whether or not you should buy it. And it was sent to me for review. And if you check the description and the comment below, I'll have the easiest link to be able to grab both of these cables. I have greatly enjoyed using them, and I apologize to Magtame for the delay of this video. Please hit the subscribe button, for Christ's sakes. If you're gonna stick around here, you might as well actually subscribe so I can get my vanity up. No. YouTube will see that I'm doing better. They might suggest my content to new viewers, which is what obviously I could use. Don't forget to share it with somebody that may need it, because it is really gratifying when you guys share my stuff. Just kidding, but that really is so helpful because you're helping me, and the person you send it to is gonna say, wow, they thought of me. It's a win-win, and you're following my little mantra that I have set up for the channel, which is embrace goodness and you'll attract greatness. Believe me guys, I'm seeing it change more and more every day as I change my life and try to become better. That being said guys, I've really got to get back to editing. I only have so much time. Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I'm out. Peace.